morning, guys. It is a Thanksgiving morning, and my husband and I are gonna go to his parents' house to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. And tonight when we get home, he's gonna go to
Oh, come on.
he's gonna go to bed. That's my husband's driving.
Road rage.
Road rage. Very impatient. Tonight there will be a Thanksgiving dinner again in our house. So we'll see you there. So all the people, or all Filipino people that are here in America, just want to say Happy Thanksgiving Day. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Say hi, Jeremy.
Gobble, gobble.
Have you guys seen Breaking Bad? I kinda looks like him. Only he looks better though. I'm sorry. You guys, we just landed to my in-laws house, so this is their porch. I'm gonna go ahead and actually do my thing here. I just want to show you the background right now. Unfortunately, I have to vlog right in front of the light, so that's not gonna be my background. This just going to show you. There you go. That's gonna be it. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Elizabeth, the Filipina girl next door. Today is a Thanksgiving morning. We are at my in-laws lake house, and tonight we will have a Thanksgiving dinner at my house. I just want to say Happy Thanksgiving to all of you here that are living in United States. And today for sure I have a lot of things that I need to thank for. Anywho, today I'm gonna read the second batch of the Christmas raffle roll calls. Last night before I went to bed, I actually checked my subscribers. I have 355 of you guys that just supported me, and I actually already visited you all, guys, and I subscribed back. So I hope you I hope that we all help each other as far as watch hours. And today, like I said, I'm gonna read all the names that are actually included on our Christmas raffles. I just want to say thank you so much for all my sponsors, and that's Kuya Joy Library, Joyce Molina, and Jan Adventure. Jan Venture. I just want to say thank you so much for helping me out to make this thing happen. And I also want to tell you the prizes. First winner of this drawing will have $100. The second winner, $50. The third winner will be $25. And also consolation prizes. 2 people are gonna win 50 watch hours. 2 people are gonna win 20 watch hours. And 2 people are gonna win 10 watch hours. And also 2 people are gonna win 300 pesos worth of loads. So I just want to say good luck to everyone. And if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do. Please make a comment as well that you want to join. The drawing will be on December 10th, 10 a.m. Philippine time. and that would be 8 p.m. here, December 9, if I'm not mistaken. Comment below if that's not right. If I when I read this and I don't you don't hear your name, please comment below and say, hey, Filipina, you forgot to read my number. So I will fix that for you. Anyway, without further delay, let's start. 196, the film kit. 197, Garden Plus graphics. 198, Nelson Bicol official. 199, Girly Galway. 200, Red Rosal. 201, Sherwin Carcelar. 202, Silverback. 203, Awesome Emily. 204, John Kenneth Lapus. 205, Inday Fuentes. 206, Delna's Vlog. 207, Faye Ross Bautista. 208, Heidi Fuentes. I don't know what this is, Maria or Massachusetts. MA, that's what it is. 208, Heidi Fuentes, MA. 209, Kawai Berry Chan. 210, Michelle Charot. 211, Thank You Channel. 212, Nora Ubak. 213, Joseph Kalau. 214, April Lawatz. 215, Annie 714. 216, Neri Osborne. 217, Mitz Miranda. 218, Larawan at Musica. 219, Oregon sa Oregon. 220, Pambay Stevie. 221, Tintin Frias. 222, Susan Lafortesa. 223, Jennifer Vlogs. 224, Forio Vlogs. 225, Simple Gems. 226, Manay Waray. 227, Juan Fam. 228, Smash Nanay Vlog. 229, Rakitera TV. 230, Miss Mattel. 231, Eden Manalo. 232, Gomez Elma. 233, Marga Purigay. 234, Tita I Paquinto. 235, Mike Dipogi TV. 236, Miriam Bronia. 237, Mark Diacos. 238, SN Sunny TV. 239, Huang Fam Vlogs. 240, R&R Sally. 241, John R TV. 242, Familia La Cuachera. 243, I and Found My Way. 244, Girly Ancero. 245, Mimi Channel. 246, Marek Mix Vlogs. 247, Easy Glam. 248, Vin Caldosa. And I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that subscribes to me, and I really appreciate all your support. So please comment below if I read this, and if I skip your name or numbers. I doubt it. If you want to join, please comment below. I'll make sure I'll include you on our game. I just want to say thank you so much for my mentors, and that is Kuya Joy and Red Rosal. Of course, all the people that let me get in to their LS. I just want to say thank you so much. Tim Manch, Manay Waray, Mamshi, Eugenie, and I'm sorry if I don't remember everybody, but without you guys, I won't be up here. I won't have 355 subscribers. So I thank you so much, and I promise you I will bother you continuously sa LS New. All right, thank you. I'll see you later. Bye. So we have all kinds of pies.
Macy's Parade went for one.
I think that's apple pie.
Instead of the
pumpkin
2.5
pie,
miles they
pecan
usually go.
pie.
So I don't know why.
Now I'm frying a chicken legs, and my husband made a dried mango covered with dark chocolate. So I am so tired of pies, and so that's what I'm gonna have for sweet. I'll see you later. So I'm gonna go ahead and end my video right here. Just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me and my family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.